a DIY learning material that is easy, attainable, and useful. Welcome back, sweeties! Thank you for subscribing and clicking on this video. And if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe button. Happy morning! Sweetie parents, guardians, and teachers, today we are going to make a DIY learning material that will cater the development of the writing skills of our children. This will help our children ages 2 to 5 years old to develop their writing skills. Today, I'll show you how to make a DIY learning material that is easy, attainable, and useful. Always remember, creativity is the key to fun learning. Our children deserve a fun learning experience. So let's start! Them experience the texture of the rope. all for today. Happy learning, sweeties! Always remember, you are beautiful, smart, and talented. You are a masterpiece. Jesus loves you.